Today's topic is preparing an outline for research article or research paper. And this lesson is used for Usman University MA Sem 3 academic writing and research methodology paper, and also helpful for TGSET, APSET, UGC Net English paper too. And this is a subtopic of research methods and materials in English Unit 10. So let us see the structure of a research paper. And here I am specifically talking about research paper in English literature. Let's see what are the components in English literature research paper. Title, abstract, introduction, research question, a research problem, literature review, methodology, analysis, conclusion, works cited. So these are the components you will see in a research paper, and we'll see one by one in detail. So this is the handbook of MLA handbook cover page. So MLA citation style is widely used and recommended by universities in English literature for research in English literature. Let's see MLA formatting. What are the essentials? Font size times New Roman, 12 points. So 12 point times New Roman font is used entire paper, and entire paper should be double spaced in MLA 9. I am talking about MLA 9th edition. And margins 1 inch on all sides. You have to leave 1 inch on all sides. And last name and page number on top right. So on top right of your research paper, you write your last name and page number. So for research paper in MLA format, title page is not required. And citation style. So for in-text citations, what are in-text citations? So in-text citations are those which are used in the body of the research paper, in the body text. So there are author page format, that is in parenthetical citation. So you write name of the author and page number in brackets, that is parenthetical citation in index citation in MLA style in our text of the research paper. And works cited. So works cited page, so we write all the names of the author in alphabetical order, and in MLA 9th style. So here whatever we have written, whatever you have cited in research paper body text, so those should be reflected in the works cited page. So the citations here, we see the details of the author and the name of the novel or name of the research paper, and publication or journal name and year. So this is the MLA citation style in works cited. So then paragraph should be indented. So it means you have to move off inch for every paragraph. For this you have to use tab key. You press the tab key and it moves off inch. When you begin a new paragraph, give indentation, that is called indentation, off inch indentation. So press tab key. So let's see the components in detail. So title, Othermothers in the Caribbean Women Diaspora. I have given an example of my research paper. So this is my title. So title is written in the center of the research paper. Then write abstract. Abstract may be 150 to 250 words. It's a summary of your research question, methods and findings. So then you write below the abstract, you write keywords. So what are the keywords in your research paper? You have to write them here. Then abstract, when do you write abstract? So we write abstract after completion of our entire research paper, but you place it at the beginning of the paper or below the title there, because it's a summary of your research paper. So you write it after completion of a research paper, but you place it in the beginning or below the title. Then introduction, here you introduce the topic and significance, and also you state the thesis, and you briefly outline your approach, what you are going to do in the section. Then research section or research problem. So it's a central question. So that you study what your study seeks to answer and what you are going to do in your research. That's a research question. So you have to formulate a research question. It should be clear, focused, and researchable. Then literature review. So in this section, review of literature, you summarize existing scholarship. So for example, my topic is Othermothers in the Caribbean Women Diaspora Fiction. So for this topic, in this section, subsection literature review or review of literature, I have to summarize all the research which has been done in the area Caribbean women diaspora, and also the research done so far on Othermothers in Caribbean fiction. So those things I have to summarize and write here. Then you have to find out the gap and you have to mention the gap which you are going to address. That's very important. Identifying gap is very important. Methodology. So qualitative research. This is non-numerical data research. So this is useful for English literature research. So in this textual analysis, there are I have given A, B, C. So textual analysis. It's in this we perform close readings of our selected novels. I have selected 3 novels for this topic. So here so if I take textual analysis method, so I perform close readings of 3 selected novels. Then comparative approach, that is comparative analysis. So already I have told you I have taken 3 novels for my research study. So in this I can use this comparative approach also. Any one of these 2 comparative approach. In this method or comparative analysis, we can compare here 3 novels. So my topic is Othermothers, so I can compare Othermothers' roles in these 3 novels. So this is comparative analysis or comparative approach. So in this, what do? You highlight similarities and also contrast in the character development, and also then next critical lens. This is optional. So critical, you can apply a critical theory if it is relevant to your topic. Okay. So for example, there are so many critical literary theories: feminist theory, post-colonial theory, Marxist criticism, and also psychoanalytical criticism. So these any one of these theories you can apply to your research if it is relevant. Then analysis or discussion. So in this section you analyze all these 3 novels, and also you put your arguments in the discussion with all your textual evidence, and also give your result in this section. And conclusion. So here you restate your thesis in light of your findings. Then future suggest implications and also future research. So here you have to mention what is the further scope of the research. What can be done after your research? Is there any scope of further research? That should be mentioned in the conclusion. So these are the components in research paper in English literature. And here I have used MLA 9th edition. You can use a latest edition. It may be a 10th edition or so whatever it may be. Latest edition should be used. Here I have used MLA 9th edition. So it's already a published research paper. So I have given here the MLA format. So let's see. Here you have to, in this here you have to write your name and your designation and also other details, date. Then here at the top right you write the last name, your last name. It is research and last name, and also page number, last name, page number on top right. So top right. Next. So this is the title. Title should be aligned, centered. It should be centered. It's very important. And also font, Times New Roman font is used. with 12 points, 12 PTR 12 points, entire news research paper. This is body text, this is body. So in this body, it should be double spaced. I have already told you, double spaced, entire paper should be double spaced, and Times New Roman font, 12 points. So one more important thing is that indentation. So when you begin a new paragraph, you have to use tab key, press tab key for indentation. So it moves half inch. So this is indentation is half inch. Okay, so you see the half inch space here when you begin. Okay, new para. This is the MLA format, and I have given my research paper as a sample. So this is the title. It has aligned centered, and also I used Times New Roman. This is my details, and abstract. This is abstract. Abstract is a summary of your entire research paper, and here keywords. So what are the keywords used in the research I have given here, and this is introduction. So here I have not given subheadings: introduction, research methods, methodology, and analysis, and conclusion. So I have not given any subheadings here. So this depends on your journal guidelines. So you follow your journal guidelines. So it may not be compulsory to use subheadings. So without any subheadings, you can also write a research paper in English literature. So here this is in-text citation. I have given writer's name. So there is no need to write here writer name. So already I have told you in-text citation MLA format is author name and page number. So already I have written here. So there is no need to write again here. So just I have given number, page number. So here I have given author's name and page number. So this is in-text citation. So in-text citation is used in text of your research paper body. So these names should be reflected in works cited page. So there in the works cited page you give details of your book name or novel name, name of the author, name of the novel, and also publication, and also page number. So here same. So this is the name of the author, name of the title. This is the title and research paper. The Danticat is the name of the writer, novelist. So research paper, the page, the quote I have taken. So I have taken these lines, 2 lines from the Danticat novel, page number 8. So these are in-text citations. So let's go for last, works cited. So works cited should be begin in a fresh page. So works cited, this is aligned centered, and also Times New Roman font 12. And you see I have mentioned in in-text citation Collins, Patricia Hill. Okay, so this is the Routledge is the name of the paper, name of the publication. This is here. Danticat, author's name, Danticat Edwidge. We write last name here. So already we have seen here, we have given in the text the Danticat 8. So this should be reflected in works cited page. So see here, Danticat Edwidge, Breath Ice Memory. It's name of the novel, and Soho Press, publication name, name of the year. So Nunn Elizabeth, author name, Used Hibiscus novel, publication year. So this is the method of cite. This is a style of MLA 9th style, citation style. This is summary of this research paper lesson. Title, abstract, introduction, literature review, methodology, analysis and discussion, conclusion, works cited. So these steps to be followed in your research when you write a research paper in English literature. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.